Hello, what is up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to download GTA 3 on an Android. This is going to be an easy and quick fast method. So first thing you're going to want to do is you see GTA 3. If you think I'm lying, GTA 3, check it, GTA 3. First thing you're going to want to do is go to Chrome. Might take a long time, but yeah, I have slow Wi-Fi, so yeah. First thing, go to Chrome, go to research app mirror net. Don't put a space between the app and mirror. Just don't put anything. Just write app mirror. And then you're gonna wanna click the first link. Then you're gonna wanna, and then this is the page is gonna pop up. You know what I'm saying? You wanna hit the search button. You know that search button. Oh, sorry, my Wi-Fi is so slow. Then you're gonna wanna, oh my god, this is, and you're gonna wanna research GTA 3, yeah, yep, and then you're gonna wait, this Wi-Fi is up. Sorry guys, but my Wi-Fi is very slow. No matter how close I get to it, it's still gonna be slow. Darn it. My god. Yeah, go to app mirror. God damn it. Then you're gonna wanna look for GTA 3, Grand Theft Auto 3. Here we go. Grand Theft Auto 3. Then you wanna scroll down. And then you're gonna wanna download the A pack. Download Grand Theft Auto 3 A pack 1.8. And then you're gonna wanna download the OPP file, the cake, whatever that is for Grand Theft Auto. And then you're gonna wanna download Z-Archiver. Here it is. You see the app moving around? Z-Archiver. It's on Play Store. Download it. Then you're gonna wanna go to Z-Archiver, and then go press and then you're gonna wanna go to download. Then you're gonna you see Grand Theft Auto 3. Then you're gonna open. Then you're gonna install. How much time have I wasted? Oh my god, 3 minutes. This was supposed to be a fast method, guys, but blah 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 blah. Hurry up! Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, then you're gonna press done. Then you're gonna click the Grand Theft Auto the file, not the file, the zip. Then you're gonna press extract here. Then you're gonna wait. Let me just skip this part. Nobody wants to see this. As you can see, extraction is almost finished. Okay, and then there's gonna be a new folder that's gonna pop up. It's gonna, first one over there, Rockstar GTA. You wanna press and hold on it. Oh. Then you're gonna wanna press cut. Press the top, and then go back to your SD card storage, your device storage. Then go to Android, and then press OBP. But if you don't have OBP on your, when you click Android, just create a new folder. Then write down OBP. It's gonna work. I trust you. Trust me. Then press OBP. Then paste. Replace. Okay, now that it's there, all is good. Then enjoy GTA 3. GTA. So please subscribe, Then I'm gonna be showing you more games to play. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, if this video gets, let's see, 1,000 likes, I'm gonna be showing you how to install GTA San Andreas. Bye. Guys, okay.